So this is Abhinav Jha. Basically, I'm a scientist, but मैं IPS बनना चाहता हूँ, like my father who is an IAS officer. तो मैं चालू करता हूँ. मैं कुछ कविताओं से चालू करता हूँ. जब घंघोर अंधेरा छाए, जब डर तुझे अपने पास बुलाए, तो दिया बन, अकेला चल. अगर तेरी आवाज सुनकर कोई नहीं आता, तू अकेला चल. अगर तेरी आवाज सुनकर कोई नहीं आता, तू अकेला 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 चल. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. हर गली, हर शहर, हर गांव में हर हाथ लहराते हुए हर लाश जलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं. मेरी कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. तेरे सीने में ना सही, मेरे सीने में सही. हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. Now I will tell you the story of my father, who was the youngest IAS officer of his batch. So this story is about my father, who was posted as the district magistrate of Lucknow when he was 26 years old. So the problem with my father was that he started off with some wonderful postings at the right beginning of his career. He was DM of Lucknow when he was 26 years old, and then he thought that life would go straight up. He started behaving like he'll be the chief secretary of the state very, very soon. He started to see himself conceited. I won't say arrogant, but he started being a little cocky. I mean, when you get a huge success at such an early age, you believe that there's nothing you'll go wrong at. And then he had a massive fall. The government changed, and he was delegated to a post where there were no bodyguards, no salary, and no budget as before. So he started to feel as if he was a superstar, and suddenly all his fans have deserted him. So now I will tell you the story of the most hated criminals of the UP. I won't call him by his real name, but let us call him Horlicks. So because of my father's dead honesty, he was transferred. Now I'll tell you the story of this criminal. So this Horlicks was so audacious that he killed 10 people in a lifespan of 10 hours. He was so beastly in his instincts that he started holding press conferences right in the heart of the town, and the police could do nothing about it. He had escaped from Agra jail by killing 5 policemen, and then he had become dangerous, very dangerous. He was so beastly in his instincts. He used to hang children by their ankles and shoot them brutally in their head. So my father, he was very frustrated, and the frustration spilled onto his professional life. He became a quite irritable at the junior officers' office, including the inspectors and all the police officers. But then he got a call from my mother one day that, have you visited the place of massacre where these 10 people have lost their lives? And he said that, I'm in no mood to go to there. And she said, you have become really selfish. Have you joined the Indian Administrative Service only to be at places which are very important to you, where you get your photograph in the newspaper every day? So she gave him a good dressing down. So he said, okay, मैं massacre के place पे जाता हूँ. So he went to the place of massacre. The village had an eerie silence. There was this scene was a scene out of the movie Gabbar. So there was this old woman sitting on the charpoy who held my father's hand and started shaking it very abruptly. साहब मेरे पूरे खानदान को मार दिया. Horlicks ने पूरे खानदान को मार दिया. There was an old woman who was also killed mercilessly. A man's head has been chopped off from his torso. So it was really a bad scene. So he came all the way from his home wondering what a petty man he had become. He was wondering about the trivial issues, about his friends' high-flying lives, what they're posting on the internet, where they're going for the vacations. Luckily, he got a call from the DIG police of that range that, Raj, we have taken an oath on the constitution and we have to arrest this man. And he said, sir, right now I'm not at all concerned about the philosophical aspects of life. After meeting this woman, I've taken it personally upon me and put this man behind bars. So he made an announcement, and these things got splashed in the newspapers the next day कि डीएम का ऐलान 26 नवंबर से पहले हॉर्लिक्स को जेल के अंदर कर देंगे. एंड द डीआईजी टोल्ड हिम दैट मुझे लगता है कि तुम बहुत सारी पिक्चरें देखते हो, तभी तुम्हें ऐसी आदत है कि तुम आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाके चीजें अनाउंस करते हो. एंड ही सेड, सर, नो, आई नो दैट इज अ बिग टाउन ऑलवेज सराउंडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ पीपल, लेकिन इफ आई मेक दिस काइंड ऑफ अनाउंसमेंट्स इट विल डेफिनेटली हैव अ साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट. एंड आफ्टर दिस हेडलाइंस ऑल द न्यूज़पेपर्स स्टेटेड द सेम थिंग कि युवा डीएम का ऐलान आया है कि हॉर्लिक्स जेल के अंदर जाने वाला है. So luckily, after he heard the SDM saying on the phone that ये जो नया DM है ना भैया बड़का तेज है, IT से पढ़ के फोन स्विच ऑफ कर लो. After suspending the DM and after a lot of conventional policing and a lot of drama, he was able to arrest that man. But after the bail office associate, he took a vow and told my father that he'll come after his family. He made a few attempts on me, but it's a professional career, you have to accept these hazards. My father is still keeping a tab on these stated criminals. Luckily, these threats are gone. So it's a part of his service. He has to accept these hazards. Thank you so much, everyone.